Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your designs and get feedback in Canva. Whether you're working on a project alone or with a team, getting input from others is crucial to perfecting your work. Let's dive right in. Share your design. First, let's talk about how to share your design. Once you've finished your design or want to get input, click the Share button at the top right of the Canva editor. You can choose to share your design via email, link, or directly to social media. To get feedback, it's best to use the link sharing option, as it allows others to view or edit the design, depending on the permissions you set. Set permissions for feedback. When sharing your design, it's important to set the right permissions. After clicking Share, you can choose between Can View, Can Comment, or Can Edit. If you only want feedback, select Can Comment. This allows others to leave comments without altering your design. If you're working with a team and want them to make changes, choose Can Edit. Collect feedback through comments. Once your design is shared, it's time to collect feedback. Canva's commenting feature is perfect for this. Anyone with Can Comment access can click on any design element and leave a note. To keep things organized, ask your collaborators to be specific with their comments, mentioning which parts they like or suggest improvements for. Review and implement feedback. After receiving feedback, review the comments carefully. You'll find them in the Designs comments section, usually on the right-hand side of the editor. Go through each suggestion and decide what to implement. You can reply to comments directly in Canva, either acknowledging the feedback or discussing further if needed. Once you've made the changes, you can resolve each comment to mark it as complete. Finalize and rehair if needed. After incorporating the feedback, your design should be looking great. If you want a final round of input, you can rehair the updated design using the same steps. This ensures everyone is happy with the final product before you publish or download it. And that's how you share designs and get feedback in Canva, Genius Junkies. It's a straightforward process that makes collaboration easy and effective. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.